Hello students, once again I am here with class 12 physical education chapter 1 planning in sports, and today's my topic is league tournament. But before starting my video I would like to remind you, do not forget to subscribe our school channel and click bell icon for getting all notifications. Now coming to our today's topic, which is league tournament. Before tell you regarding league tournaments, type of tournaments and how to draw a fixture, first I am going to tell you definition of league tournament. In league tournament, every team used to play with each team. Suppose in tournament, if total number of teams are 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, then it means team 1 will play with match 2, also will play with 3 and with 4. And same with 2 will play with 3 and 4, and if 1 he already played, and same with 3 means with 4, as with 2 and 1 already played. So here all teams are playing with every team one time. In league tournaments, mainly two types, single league and double league. Before tell you the types of league tournament, I want to tell you one more thing about this league tournament. League tournament is also known as a round robin tournament and Varga type of tournament. So if in your question paper a word is coming, draw a picture of Roman tournament or draw a picture of burger type of tournament, then it means you have to draw a picture of league tournament. So here league tournament two types, single league and double league. And in single league, to find out total number of matches, formula is n-1 upon 2, where n is equal to total number of teams. And formula in double league, it's simple n and minus 1. And here, as you all know, n is equal to total number of teams. So in league tournament, I am repeating once again, in league tournament and single league tournament means each team play with every team one time. And in double tournament, each team play with every team twice. Now I am going to tell you how to draw a picture of league tournament. For drawing a picture of league tournament, there are three methods. Method number 1 is very common. It is known as staircase method. Number 2, it is cyclic method. And number 3, it is tabular. First one is staircase, cyclic, and then tabular. So today I will tell you how to draw a picture of the staircase and how to draw a picture of cyclic method. These two methods are in syllabus. Third method, tabular, is not in syllabus, is not in your syllabus. So I will not explain this method. So today I will explain only two methods, staircase and cyclic. Now come to our staircase method. Staircase. By words it is clear. Staircase means Sidi Numa. And what is Sidi Numa? This after drawing picture you all know. Suppose we have to draw a picture of total number of teams is equal to 5. It means we have to draw a picture of 5 teams. And these 5 teams are A, B, C, D, E. So we are having 5 teams A, B, C, D, E, and we have to draw the picture. So suppose first, as according to definition, each team will play with every team. So first we will conduct the team A matches. So team A versus team B, team A versus team C, team A versus team D, and team A versus D, E. So as here you can see, team A played with all the teams. Now come to team B. In first match, as team B already played with team A, so here team B versus team C, team B versus team D, and team B versus team E. So it means now team B also played with all the teams. Now come to team C. To team C, as you can see, team C already played with B and A. It means two teams are remaining, and these two teams are team D and team E. Now come to next team, team D. Here last match, team D versus team E. As D already played with A, B and C. And now you can see team E also played with A, B, C, D. So here all teams played with every team. And why it is known as a staircase? Now after drawing the picture, if you try to draw the picture, then you see figure is coming. It is just like a staircase, सीढ़ी नुमा, step by step आप इसके ऊपर चढ़ भी सकते हैं. This method is known as staircase. I think this method is clear to you all. Now I am going to tell you how to draw a picture of cyclic method. How to draw a picture of league tournament using cyclic method. In cycling method, two conditions are here. When total number of teams are even and when total numbers of teams are odd. Cyclic method, two conditions. Condition number one, when total number of teams even. Suppose we have to draw a picture of total number of 6. It means n is equal to 6. So in cyclic method, what we used to do, first I think it is better I am going to explain you total number of teams are even to total number of 6 is equal to 6. It means total number and teams are A, B, C, D, E, F. So all these 6 teams matches I am going to conduct through cyclic method. So suppose team A played with B, C, D, E, F. First, you have to arrange all 6 teams in this manner, and you have to fix first team's position. Suppose I fix team A position, and then I will, in next step, I will rotate the teams. So as I told, team A position we have to fix. It means team A will not sit. Team A will be at his place. Now this cyclic method will rotate this way, clockwise. So it means now earlier here it was B, but now if we rotate this, then in place of B, which team will come? F. F will come here. Then B will take the position of C, and C will goes to D place. D will shift to E's place, and E will shift towards to F place. This is step 2. Again it will turn like this manner, and as I told, A position will be fixed, so we will not change the position of A. So now here in next step, in place of F, which team will come? E team will come, and F will take the position of B. B will take the position of C. C will take the position of D, and D will take the position of D will take the A, B. Sorry, one mistake is here. I am missing team B. As you can see, E will take the position of F, F will take the position of B, and B will take the position of C. So B will come this side, then C, and then E. Okay, again we will rotate. Then again team A position will be fixed. Then D, E, F, B and C. One more round is required. As I told you, team A position will be fixed. So team A will be here. This position will be fixed. In place of team D, now team C will come. C, D, E, F and B. Now you see, if we will organize one more round, then this round, first round will again come. It will repeat. So it means we have to conduct this round till B will not come to the second last position, means last position, not second last, last position up to F place. Now you can see here in first step in first round, B was here and F was here. Now if we will rotate one more round, then again F will come here and B come here. So it means this first round will repeat. So we will stop here only. Now as I told you, now our picture of cycling method when total number of teams are even is complete. And one more thing I told you, even what is the formula to find out total number of teams, which was n plus 1 upon 2. So here total number of teams n was 6, so it means 6 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6 into 5 upon 2 is equal to 30 upon 2, means total number of teams 15 will take place. So we have to check how many matches are here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it means our picture is right. One more thing, as I told you, each team with every team, this way you can also cross check. Here A versus B, then A versus C, then A versus D, then A versus E, then A versus F. Means A played with all the teams. Same with B. B already played with A. Now B here you can check. B played with C, then B played with D, and here we played with E, and here we played with C. So it means F. So it means all teams are playing with each team. So this is the method when total number of teams are even. Now I am going to explain when total number of teams are odd. I think this method is clear to you all. Suppose we have to draw the picture of now condition 2 when total number of teams are odd. Suppose we have to draw a picture of n. So first how many matches will take place, means n minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 1 upon 2 means 7 into 6 upon 2 means 3. 21 matches will take place. N is equal to 7 means total number of matches will be 21. So now I am going to draw the picture. And suppose we are having team A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 16th, 17th picture we have to draw. In even teams, I told you we will fix the team 1 position. Now any team place we will fix, and rest all teams will rotate around fixed team. But when we are having total number of teams odd, in this condition we will fix the position of by team. Suppose here by place we fix, and then we will place out the team situation in A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Again by will remain its place and rotation will be clockwise, will take place this way. So in place of A, G will come, then A, B, C, D, E, F. All will change their positions. Again by will be at its place, rotation will take place. So in place of G, F will come, in place of A, G will come, same way A, B, C, D, E. We have to rotate only in next step again E, F, G, A, B, C, D. Again we have to conduct one round. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Again we will rotate it. Then in place of B, this thing will come C. Means C, D, E, F, G, A, B. One more round. By place will be fixed. Then in place of C, this thing will come B. B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now you can see here the situation again. If we will one more round we will conduct, then in place of B, which team will come? A team will come. Then again the first round situation will come. It means we have to stop our fixture at this place only. Now our fixture is complete. Now we will cross check how many matches are here. So in all rounds, the team which are having bye, it means this place is not having, this place is not going. In this round, means in first round team A is not playing, in second round team G is not playing, in third round F is not playing, in next round E, in this round D is not playing, in this round C is not playing, and in last round B is not playing. So these are not matches, so we will not count it. Rest matches we will count it. So this we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. 21 matches are here. It means our fixture is right. One more thing, we can again cross check, like each team play with every team. So we will check here team A position. In first round team A is not playing. In second round team A is versus team F. It means team F से first round में match हो गया. In second round team A is playing with team D. It means team D से भी हो गया. In next round team A versus team B. It means team A played with team B also. In next round team A played with G. It means team G also played with D. In next round team A versus E. And in last round team A versus C. So you can see here team A played with all the teams B, C, D, E, F and G. So it means our fixture is right. So this is the method to the fixture when total number of teams are odd. So I think league tournament is clear to you all. So now I am going to give you your homework. You have to draw picture of 2 pictures you have to draw. Base of one picture you will draw with the base of staircase method when total number of teams are 8. Next we have to the picture of cyclic method when total number of teams are, here you have to draw 2 pictures, one picture of 8 teams and one picture is of 5 teams. So these 3 pictures you have to draw using these methods. This is your homework. Till now, bye bye everyone. Thank you being the part of this video. Thank you.